Hey guys, it's your Jamaican Gypsy Granny and welcome back to another video. I'm talking about the earthquake that happened in Jamaica. Keep watching. Morning guys. As y'all know, I was headed back to Jamaica and I made it. I'm here in Portmore at my friend's house and I'm getting ready to go out and sort a SIM card out. But I have such a story now. I have never felt an earthquake in my entire life. So yesterday I was sitting here and I heard a loud noise and I just felt the ground shaking under my feet. I'm like, what the hell is this? What the hell is this? Everybody in the house is calm because apparently we've been getting a lot of hurricanes lately. So they're now accustomed to it. But this is my first time in 61 years ever feeling an earthquake. Now, I've been here in Jamaica that it has happened. I heard, oh, did you feel the earthquake? No, because I guess basically because I'm usually always moving, so I never had the opportunity to feel it. Lord have mercy, I was so terrified yesterday. I was in a state for at least an hour afterwards. So the earthquake apparently measured 5.6 on this Richter scale. Fortunately, no one got killed. There were damages to houses, supermarket shelves were falling off, all sorts of stuff. But we're okay. And I'm back home and follow the channel for my journey as I take you across Jamaica. Stay with me now. Bye. It's your Jamaican Gypsy Granny. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.